I'll see you out there. It should be another 6-7 minutes.
6-7.
Right, yeah. I don't think kids are saying that anymore.
I know. It was totally over, but I just brought it back.
What? Really?
Yeah, that's kind of one of my superpowers. I'm Kim Kardashian, and I can just bring anything back anytime I want.
Seriously?
No cap. That's pregnant. You know what else is back?
No way. There's no way that's coming back. What? That happened so fast?
And I'm not done. What's up? Don't tase me, bro. Nike Skims. Groovy, baby, yeah.
Austin Powers impressions are back?
In my world, they never went away.
That is an amazing superpower. All right, well, I'll see you out there. What's up?
Oh, behave.